Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be learn how to draw a perfect face drawing using digital apps. You don't need to know the drawing. So we can use digital apps to draw a perfect face drawing. So we will take a photograph and save in our computer. Then we go to the Google and choose a apps which one convert photograph to drawing or sketch. So I click on that, then I click photo from my computer to convert it as a drawing. So it will take little bit time to convert. Then we will see it's already convert in a drawing, and then we will download it in our computer, save it in the computer, then open in the computer. We can print the photograph in A4 paper or A3 paper, or we can project it and then draw in our canvas or in a paper. So or we can use our laptop screen to trace that. So I'm using the laptop screen to trace that. Make sure the laptop light is higher. So I'm using the watercolor paper. You can use A4 paper or any white paper. So it's easy to draw with the pencil, the line, and the face proportion will be perfect. So we need to use 3B or 4B soft pencil because we don't want to ruin our computer screen. And it's easy to draw the line with the 3B or 4B, and make sure the pencil is sharp. So my drawing is almost done. When I done the drawing, we can take it in the table or in a board and make sure all the lines are okay, or make it darker. Thank you to watch my video. If you like it, please share and give a like.